Hello, I'll be walking you through the customer sequences, which is very easy to navigate to once you log in. It's on the left-hand side of the panel here. You click it, it will take you to this panel view here. You click Add Sequence, you give it a name, description, and click these checkboxes if they apply, adding new members automatically, adding new leads automatically, and marketing opt-in. Once you do that, it initializes a template creation, which you can then access and go to. And then you can edit that sequence template. You can add new steps, email 1, call 2, call 3, email 7, whatever it may be. The step input, if it's a text input, a true false statement, or a time-based condition. The AI prompt, you want to be as specific as possible with this to guide the prompt, and you do not have to put in a new AI prompt from the beginning every time. The prompt will look to previous prompts for context on future steps. And then do you want this to be a draft only, or do you want to fully automate it where there's no human interaction needed? Draft only is if you want a human to get involved in the loop and review the message or something of that nature. The date of registration, from date of registration is day 0, so days until actionable. A new member signs up on Monday, that's day 0. Days until actionable, if we made it 5, that would be Monday, day 0, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday, that would be actionable. That would be 5 days. And then various other conditions, whether you want to lock before it's actionable. So no one could, if you set it 5 days, no one could do anything until that Saturday. Lock after expiration, lock once actioned, and required for completion. And once you set all those up, what you end up with is a sequence that will look something like this. You can filter by person, by priority, very easily jump into each person, what is needed. Now, if this is fully automated, you won't even see this, or you won't even really care too much about it. And then you can go in and add members to a sequence very easily. Now, of course, if you've seen the filters video, that's another great way to just kind of dump people into a sequence. Filters, watch the other video on filters to figure out how it relates to sequences.